live trading session. I actually opened a trade a few minutes ago. I'm using IQ options, and as you can see, I opened a trade with $5 here, right? And right now I'm in 4% profit, and it's actually going to increase, I believe, if my analytics, whatever you call it, were true. So anyways, guys, do trade the US dollar and the Canadian dollar, right? And right now it's right on, let me move to, right now it's 17:37 in the morning, I mean in the afternoon. So yeah, we're gonna see what is chit after my minutes. As you can see, it's actually I was now in a loss right now. So I mean, the multiplier is 1000, and the amount which I invested is $5. The reason why I used a higher multiplier is that I'm using the investor marisho mandit. So like I want to my profits are increase. Yeah, so we're gonna see is this going to work or is it not going to work. But then this strategy which I'm using, I've been using it in the demo account and it in G-Try, and it seems like it's really making profits. Okay, so we're gonna see is it really that good, and it can, yeah. And also I've been using, I'm actually testing the strategy. I'm showing some demo account. As you can see, up and it when the graph and it but below this band paper, and it and also this yellow line here, it shows what we should sell, and it the moment like a new candle but not tanga just below these lines, and it should be a sell. And also like down here and it graph this one serves as an indicator that like there's going to be a downtrend in the coming minutes, and it so as you can see up and it that green candles, and it end graph it was increasing. Down here we had my red candles atanga and it so like patanga my red candles, and then patazosvika panapa nditika on the third red candle ndo patangochi this graph red iri paraenda just below these lines, so it means which you should sell. And that's how this strategy works. Same thing with when it's an uptrend. For example, here nditka ndo papaperera chi my lines are red, and then this graph my lines are green avatanga to show up. So you don't sell the moment, I mean you don't buy paunotanga kuona these ones. It's just anongokuradza kuti you should, there's going to be an uptrend and it in the coming few minutes or hours, whatever. So up it was still crossing and it got the band ready. Then the moment para tanga this candle para tanga just above this band and then the yellow line, it means it's a buy signal, and it, so you should buy piece. But then this wouldn't be a good trade. But then as you can see, it works even panap and it this one also tangira somewhere here should be a good trade, and it so the strategy actually is kind of working. As you can see, I'm now in 72 cents profit, but then I'm not sure, it might actually fluctuate. I'm actually willing to lose this $5 because as you can see, I'm actually testing the strategy. So whatever happens, I don't know. This time I'm going to close it. Can I shake up somewhere maybe around, I don't know, $2, who knows. That's when I'll close this trade. So I'm going to pause this video, and then we're gonna come back after a few minutes and see what Jagamira say and it. Yeah. So anyways, see you in a few minutes. But then Kwamori is going to be like maybe a few blink of an eye. But anyways, okay guys, I'm back. I still at $63, $73, still fluctuating around this amount. Any minute now I'm going to close this trade, or I might just close it now because I want to trade. Yeah, it's now at $2, so I think this trade we should close it. Yes, so I close this trade with $2 profit. Yeah, so I just made a trade, and then my profit is $2. My amount was actually $12 in this account, and I made a profit of $2. So that's it. I'm going to try again, not on the same currency pair, but a different currency pair, a new currency pair actually, and I'm going to try again the trade. This one I cannot enter this trade, as you can see. There is no any sign I would like to find opinion trade. You can end up in there like around here. Okay, so for me to enter this trade, I can find out to mirror like these red bars across pass by this graph, then I'll enter the trade. Then as for this one, I'm actually waiting for these bars to actually go up, then I trade. As for this one, I'm waiting with the new candle and it retangle below this band and it can. Then as for this pair, yes, I might just end into this trade, but I'm waiting with this candle and it can retangle patange a new candle. But like as you can see, this one and it can, the lower candlestick is actually touching the purple line, so I should not enter into that trade. So I'm going to wait. This one seems to be good method. Yeah, this one and in the 2-hour time frame. Actually, good like how this platform works and it can, you should watch my video. I'm going to link it in the description below. Then you can actually watch the video and learn like personal away this stuff. Everything's all going on this platform and it you actually understand it better if you watch the video, if you're new to IQ options actually. Yeah, so let's see. So what I'm going to do right now, I've made $2 profit, so I'm going to start investing my $2 in the next coming trades and it, so that I'm no longer risking my initial deposit. I'm now risking my profits to make something. This trading type is actually to try to grow a micro account using only $12 to see whether it's possible. Good, like, can you really make it with much more amounts? You know, sometimes you have to start with like maybe a amount of $100 or $50. It's still a micro account though. Some even start with $1,500, but I'm actually going to start with $12 this time to see if it's possible using only this strategy and it can, and also other strategies to grow this account into maybe a big account if all goes well and it. Yeah, so one thing you have to understand about forex trading is all about patience, and if you don't have patience, then you can never make it in the forex market. And also soda one hana and it one this thing is not for you guys, because like everything you're doing guys, you're actually taking a risk and it. So this one and it is going to be a good trade. So this candle is going to expire after about 4 hours, maybe less, but maximum it's 4 hours and it, because like I'm on the 4-hour time frame and it, each candle will represent a 4 hours. So candle better within the next coming 4 hours and a new candle is going to begin, and hopefully this new candle is going to start just below this band right here. And if it starts below this band, then I'm going to put a sell order, because already this graph is showing us there's going to be a downtrend in the graph and it, and also like if it starts below this band and it shows us there's going to be a downtrend. So that's what I'm actually waiting for right now guys. You know, when you're trading and it, you should put budget, like tochi unofana kuisa target and the target amount. For example, if you're someone and it arotanga with a micro account and it, and you know you are not that well into the forex market, you can actually start with maybe a target of $4 per day, of which if you look at it, and $4 per day it's something, and it considering the situation at now at the moment, starting with $4 is really something. Okay, because imagine if you're getting $4 per day, in a month's time how much you'll be having, and it's even more than salary and it, so yeah, that's the thing. So I'm going to wait maybe in the next coming 4 hours to see what this candle starts. Then as for this platform and it, this my currency pays and it, my weekends they expire and it, I mean they anombomira for trading and it, they close. Yeah, if you click pakanzi info and the information about currency pair or trade, whether it's my bitcoins, I mean whether it's my cryptocurrency or my CFT or anything. If you click pakanzi info, it will show you information about this currency and it. So this ababanditka panokuradza like time yari closer. So this currency pair is going to close at 23. Kana tichiti iri close at 11 o'clock and it PM. What it means is anombo close pama weekends and it, every forex trading, every currency pay no close and it, and the news open maybe on Monday something and it. That's the thing about this one. So anonga will open it's only cryptocurrency, and then ne pane nonzi off the counter market, and it you're like zeta it's only for binary trading options and all that stuff. So it closes, and it yeah. So apa inokuradza information about the currency pairs irikuitika and all that stuff. That's if we don't trade using the news. Some people trade using the news, they don't use my indicators, and it in I use my indicators and it and also sometimes the news. So for example, if something happens and it a world event affecting the US dollar and it monotona like pachito changer, whether direction whether it's a positive thing or it's a negative thing, that actually changes, and also same applies to the Canadian dollar and it yeah. So that's the thing. So I'm actually waiting to a new candle return, and then I open another trade. You can see like some people say like close a trade, and it the thing is you are actually working with a micro account and it with a small investment amount. So if Kanorushanda with a small investment amount, it means for every profit you want, whether it's $1 or something, then you have to take profit, and it that's the thing. Most people like waruda kuhoda my trades, and then they end up being losing money, and it's not good. So what you do is, if you're working with a micro account, whether it's $1, whether it's $2, whether it's 50 cents, take profit, and it what matters is kuti usvike pamari yako yauda kuita, whether uri kumawana ari ma50 cents, $1, $2. What matters is that you should end up wasvika target amount yaunongoisa per day. So those 50 cents and they do make you to reach a target yako. What you need is patience and also discipline and it. But if you're that kind of person, not like Aruta, I only take my profits whether I made 50% of the amount and invest or anything, then that's up to you. But then this strategy actually it works. My profits, you should always take my profits all the time. Yeah. So anyways guys, I'll see you in the next video. And that was a live trading. I think you saw it very well. Green, and that's the money in my account right now. Actually I did put a little amount so that I could start what can I say, I could start trading with the micro account. Then this is my practice account. As you can see, practice account, the current balance is 16,000. The initial amount get more account P1 IQ options is 10,000, and so I was using the strategy and I managed to make $6,000 profit. So anyways guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and also like this video, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you always stay up to date with some of the videos that I post. So thank you.